the graph here. If you want to learn how to decorate your house, your office, restaurant wall, ceiling, the only thing you need subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and share this videos with your friends. And please watch the videos to the end, because at any time and any second I can share very useful tip and for you. And this week I'm going to start a new videos about the tools. We will describe every week a new tools that we will use in our project. We will describe about the plumber, how to use that, what kind of plumber very useful for our project. I want to show you the work I have done in 25 years. Let's jump on a computer to take a quick look at our blueprint, and I drew the blueprint on AutoCAD. I showed you on my previous video. We have two walls. One wall divides a kitchen with the living room. The second wall divides the corridor from the kitchen, and we have two door frame, and we have a kitchen furniture. It starts from here to the window side. And okay, now we fasten the aluminum profile using a laser level, and let's fasten the other side of the walls. I use a specific nail for the concrete to make them more accurate, and also we will use a chalk rail for marking 90-degree angle for the walls. My son Dawood is helping me out with this work. Okay, let's mark other wall, and we will start to lay bricks. Okay, I want to moisturize the concrete, because if we don't do that, the cement will lose their quality, and we don't want that. Okay, I lay the first brick, and we will use a fishing line for marking the top level of the brick to provide the specific level for the top of the brick. I will fasten the fishing line to the aluminum profile to get a very straight and perfect walls. In order in the future we will apply the plaster on these walls, and if it will be quality, it will increase our work quality. Okay, you see I started to lay the brick, the first row for the living room and kitchen walls, and also it will increase the job quality at the same time. Laying the brick, we control the top level of the brick following the fishing line. Okay, continue. and we will leave a 700 millimeter for the kitchen furniture, and after that we will mark the door frame. We'll leave the same dimension here, and we started the second row for the kitchen and corridor wall, and okay, second row. Same time we control the fishing line because it's our level for the horizontally and vertically. We have control two sides at the same time, because the vertical side we control with the aluminum profile, the horizontal side we control by following the fishing line. Corner we don't have aluminum profile, that's why we will adjust the laser level for the vertical. At the same time we will control the door frame bricks, because we don't want to lose this vertical level. We also need to control them. And let's start third level for the other side of those walls. Okay. Yeah, the next week I hope I will finish the bricklaying and I will start the plastering work for all these walls. After that the fishing work, and after that we will start the drywall work. After that we will start the plumber work, the heating system, heating for floor system, and after that we will do tiling and plastering work, and we will do the gypsum modeling. And all this process I will share with you guys, and also we will explain how to use If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and follow us for more videos, and